Hello, okay, we're going to do a quick guide on how to use the CMS to change content in Wix Studio. So what's CMS? It stands for Content Management System, and it's a tool that we can use in website development to allow us to store and change content for the site, like images or text. So for example, on the home page, if I wanted to change some text in this testimonial, I would go and find it in the CMS like this. The CMS is in the sidebar, in your collections, and there's testimonies. Maybe that should be testimonials. And yes, I can see that there's a table here that has 3 pieces of data for each kind of record, or each block of those testimonies. So the name, the title of it, and the comments. If I wanted to change the title of one of them then to epic, all I do is just type enter, close, and it will eventually update here. There it is, it's changed. And of course I publish it to the test site, then I'll be able to see it on the test site as well. Okay, so that was a simple example. Now if I have a look at this repeater, I actually can tell that this repeater is connected to a CMS because that link icon there is blue, so which means when I tried to change the images, for example, by manage content, then I'm showed, well, this is living in a CMS collection. Clicking that button now takes me straight to the CMS table, and in this case the before and after slideshow table just has a title and an image, and of course I could just change the image here with replace image and then go find an image through my site files or upload a new one. Okay, so a slightly more complex example is where CMS really shine, where there is like a kind of a list of items page like this, and then there's a subsequent, like an attached or connected, like item details page. This is where CMS is really useful. So let's have a look at those tables now. So if I go to the CMS for those, so they live in, maybe I should show you the pages as well. So we have the services list page, which was the one that shows the 6 different types of cleaning service, and then the service details page, and that's one that shows the checklist. So if I would, so that's the list page. So if I would go to the CMS and have a dig around, I could see, okay, well, there's a services table here. And what could we change there? Well, I could change like the heading or a price here, perhaps, on one of these service items. So there's the services table, and one of the things I can change here is price. So I'll change that to 130 and press enter. There's also the service checklist here. And this is a drop down because these service checklists are coming from the other table I just mentioned. So if I click on the drop down, I could actually set it to one of the other checklists. A general cleaning could have a laundry services checklist if I wanted to. For now, it's a general cleaning checklist. If I click open collection from here, I can actually edit what's in that checklist, because it's just in another table here, the services checklist table. So for example, if I wanted to change something in that checklist, like change that to a different heading style, like that, or I could just make it bold. Okay, I can do all that, and then click away, close it. For now, I'll just change that price, and we should see that update at least. So yeah, that's updated to 130. So that's how you change things in the CMS in general.